Every shift begins with a simple moment. But when that moment fails, everything slows down. Low activation, less usage, more blockers. Behind the scenes, IT teams are flooded with login issues, managing systems that were never built for the front line. So we rebuilt identity from the ground up, for every frontline worker in every industry. Faster activation, seamless login, no friction. So your people can start work instantly. One identity layer, connecting everything, working exactly as it should. Introducing Frontline Identity, built for the first moment of work.